You know, when I was a kid, I used to lie on the grass in my backyard and stare up at the night sky. I'd try to count the stars, but there were always too many to keep track of. They seemed like tiny pinpricks of light scattered across a vast, dark canvas. Each one was a little mystery, a distant world that might hold secrets we can't even begin to imagine. I'd wonder, as many of us do at some point, are we truly alone in the universe? Let's take a moment and imagine that vastness. Picture yourself standing on a beach at night. The ocean stretches out in front of you, the waves gently lapping at the shore. Now look up. Above you, the sky is a deep, velvety black, dotted with countless stars twinkling like scattered diamonds. Each of those stars might have planets orbiting them, just like our Earth orbits the sun. Can you hear the soft rustle of the waves, the cool breeze that brushes your face, the salty tang of the sea in the air? All of these are sensations that ground us to our own world, yet above us lies the infinite expanse of the universe, filled with potential wonders. Scientists estimate there are about 100 billion stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way, alone. And there are more galaxies in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. That's a staggering thought, isn't it? Each grain of sand like a galaxy, each galaxy containing stars and planets. It's like trying to grasp the idea of infinity. It's both humbling and awe-inspiring. But let's bring it a bit closer to home. We live on a planet that teems with life, from the bustling cities and their symphony of sounds, a car horn here, the chatter of people there, to the quiet, untouched forests where you can almost hear the silence, where every footstep is cushioned by the soft earth. Life is everywhere, in the chirping of birds, in the rustling leaves, in the salty spray of the ocean. Our Earth supports a kind of life that we understand, but could there be other forms of life out there? We've been sending signals into space for decades, hoping for a response. You've probably heard of the famous WOW signal, a strong radio signal picked up in 1977 by an astronomer in Ohio. It was a burst of energy that lasted just 72 seconds, but to this day it remains unexplained. There are those who believe it might have been an attempt at communication from another civilization. Imagine being the one to first hear something like that, the wonder and curiosity it would spark. Was it a greeting, a message in a bottle tossed into the vast cosmic sea? Scientists are also exploring our own solar system for signs of life. Mars, with its rusty, windswept surface, might once have had water, and where there's water, there's the potential for life. Then there's Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, with its icy crust hiding a vast ocean beneath. The thought that there might be creatures swimming in those alien waters, perhaps unlike anything we have seen here on Earth, is thrilling, like the best kind of mystery novel waiting to be unraveled. Yet, as we gaze at the stars and dream of extraterrestrial neighbors, it's equally important to reflect on what this search means for us. What if, amid all this exploration, we find that we are indeed alone? What would that mean for us, for how we see ourselves as a part of this universe? Or if we do find others out there, how would that change our understanding of life? I remember reading a quote from Carl Sagan who said, "We are made of star stuff." It's a poetic reminder that the elements which form our bodies were forged in the hearts of dying stars, billions of years ago. This connection to the universe, this shared cosmic ancestry, is profound. Whether or not we find life out there, this simple truth binds us to the stars and to each other. So are we alone in the universe? It's a question as old as humanity itself. Each of us might have our own answer, shaped by our experiences, our beliefs, and our hopes. And perhaps, in the end, it's the search itself that matters. The journey of discovery that brings us closer together and closer to understanding our place in this grand, mysterious cosmos. As I lie on my back and look up at those countless stars, feeling the cool grass beneath me, I find comfort and wonder in the not knowing. It encourages imagination and dreams. It makes me feel like a part of something much larger than myself. And maybe, just maybe, that's the point. Whether we are alone or not, those stars will continue to shine long after we're gone, whispering their cosmic secrets to anyone willing to look up and listen.